Welcome once again to my channel, Fogs Business. My name is Ufusu Godwin, a marketing professional and a marketing trainer. In this video, we're going to look at how to make a viral marketing campaign on social media. If you want to subscribe to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. If you have subscribed already too, I would love you to tell other people to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Viral marketing is simply a type of marketing where others, it could be either your followers, customers, etc., share your content, your product and service content to other people, and other people also shares it to other people, so that your brand actually gains brand engagement, recognition, share of voice, share of market, etc. But there's no size-fits-all method when it comes to. The next thing is to define your campaign. What type of content are you going to create? Is it graphics? Is it video, audiovisual, etc., infographics, etc.? It is important to get to also understand the fact that you need to research online and, of course, online communities related to your target audience to see content that are really getting that traction. And I'm going to recommend a tool. The tool is called CrowdTangle, which is owned by Facebook. CrowdTangle. You can use this, as a matter of fact, to analyze content and then, as a matter of fact, advise on what content you have to create. This tool is a Chrome plugin, it's a Google Chrome plugin, and it can give you access to over 1 million profiles and some important data concerning content. If you ask yourself, what content will your audience respond to make them share your campaign? Research has really shown that sharing comes from people sharing topics that they care about, content that provide valuable information to other people and themselves, and also people they are connected to and relate to. So let your message link to these factors that I am talking about. Topics that people care about, content that provide valuable or provide value to others, and also get to understand that people will prefer to share to people that they are connected with. So people will share to their community because they care about the community. Even though majority of viral videos are entertaining, there are some that are also informative. So you can also do informative videos, especially if you are a B2B brand, that is where you are into business to business, you sell to other businesses. You can also use emotions. With entertaining, if you have the resources, or if you are connected to a popular comedian, you could link up with this comedian, and as a matter of fact, let him put up an interesting copy or be part of this campaign, right? When it comes to emotions also drive the interest of audience, right? Let me give an example of an emotion viral marketing campaign. This viral marketing campaign was hashtag ship with a view. Ship with a view. That is SHEEP with a view. Hashtag ship with a view. And this was a campaign that was run in Norway, right? Where a sheep was then likened to a tour guide. Directing people to interesting places within the country. Another way that you can also get your content to get viral is to offer incentives to encourage shares, right? So for example, you can decide that, or you can come up with it that if anyone shares your content to 10 people, he's going to get a gift. It could be a small gift, it could be a small package, right? If you are running, let's say, a restaurant or something, you could just give out some food, etc., to those who, as a matter of fact, share your content. Offer incentives. You can also harness events such as sporting events, football events in particular, and develop campaigns around this. But one should be careful about what we call ambush marketing, which is a law or a principle in marketing that sometimes prevents marketers from connecting their brands to certain events. We heard of that, I think, in the London Olympics, where certain words were banned from being used in campaigns relating to the sporting event. You can as well, as a matter of fact, mention some key players within the particular tournament or sporting event. But like I said, ambush marketing issues, you should be mindful of ambush marketing issues. But this depends on countries, different countries. I think in some other countries like countries in Africa, etc., ambush marketing is not that huge in Africa. You can contact an attorney or a lawyer, and then he's going to take you through what to do and what not to do when it comes to ambush marketing. You can also connect your campaign to a season, for example, Christmas, Easter, and any other religious season, right? It could also be summer, winter, etc. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is the right channel. Which channel should you run your campaign? Under normal circumstance, it makes sense to do the campaign on platforms where you have majority of your target audience. So for example, it is well known that some of the platforms have large number of millennials. Let's say you are doing a campaign for adults. It will make sense to focus on those platforms but the point here is that for me, I would suggest that you post on all platforms. Post on all platforms, because there's what we call cross sharing. People can share a content from one platform, let's say from YouTube to LinkedIn, or from YouTube to Facebook. So it is duty bound on you to spread your message across all the platforms so that you can enjoy cross sharing or platform cross sharing. Right? You can also share your campaign in communities and groups, and there are a lot of communities and groups on various social media platforms. Even though a particular platform might have large number of younger people like millennials, you can also, as a matter of fact, shape them from there. So catch them young with your brand, introduce your brand. When we were kids, we used to know of certain machineries, brand of machineries and cars, heavy duty or heavy machinery, heavy equipment, etc. when we were kids, but we were not customers. Today, we still have those brands in our head. So social media gives you the opportunity to do that, right? The next thing I'm going to talk about is SEO. I'm talking of social media SEO. Ensure that your campaign is optimized for search. Large number of people do search for products on social media. Some search for restaurants, some search for clothing, and a whole lot of things, hotels, etc. So ensure you use the right hashtags. Create hashtags that will actually be searchable and findable. People search for products on social media too as well. As well, target keywords in your post or in your campaign. Research on keywords. There are many tools out there that you can use to research on keywords. And don't forget, if you are targeting a specific location, let's say Ghana, let's say London, let's say Jamaica, etc., make sure that you add that particular location in the campaign, for example, in the description, in your title, in your meta tags, description tags, etc. So if you are targeting a specific location like country or city, mention that particular country or city in the post. Right. Now, the last I'm going to talk about before I go is something miscellaneous. If you have the budget, it will be better to also support your campaign with offline media. And I will go for radio, for live presenter mentioning, right? Live presenter LPMs are cheaper. So the presenter will talk about the fact that if you share company ABC's post from this time up to that time to 10 people, you stand a chance of winning a prize, right? You can also, if you know of certain bloggers that are blogging in relation to your target audience, then you can also let them blog. You can as well also do co-marketing. Join with another brand and then run this campaign. The last bit I'm going to say is that monitor and follow up and reply to all comments. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for coming back to watch my video every now and then. If you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Thank you very much. And watch out for my next video.